back by popular demand, is me beach. I'm gonna call this video, please don't look at the zit on my eyebrow. So, today I woke up from a nap and I got the sudden urge. I was like, you know, I really want to make some slime. So, I went to Five Below, the one that I don't work at because that would be awkward. I don't want people to know that I make slime. This is actually my first time making slime, so we're just gonna see what goes down. I bought slime activator. I bought clear glue because the white one looked stupid looking and I want to have fun. I bought two little container things. They aren't coming apart. I'll get them apart. And then I bought a bunch of glitter, so we're just gonna have so much fun. So right off the bat, I have no idea what I'm doing because I'm not sure about like the ratio or whatever, but so I'm just gonna take my clear glue and start. I have to like open it. Just start pouring bleach. Now I'm gonna pick a pretty color and put it in there. Oh my gosh. I don't even know which one I want to do. We're doing stars, silver ones. I chose some of the prettiest colors that I found. Well, I started with this one and I was like, I want some pinks in there. So we're gonna make like a little lovey-dovey, happy little slime. So now I have all the colors in there. And I'm gonna take this and then just, oh wait, that's the glue. I'm gonna take this and put it in there. I'm mixing it and it's actually working. Like, I'm genuinely shocked right now. Oh. What? This is so exciting. I'm so excited. I made slime. Oh my god, I made slime. Oh, it's really messy though. Look at her. She's slime. I can't believe it. But it's like really sticky and probably not supposed to feel like this. But I did it. Now I'm questioning how I'm going to stop recording because my hands are really dirty. So this is slime baby number 1. She's so cute. Okay, so for number 2, I'm not really sure what route I want to take. Cause like, since the first one was like pinks, maybe I could do like greens and blues, or I could just go flat out rainbow. So I'm still kind of deciding. We are already off to a really good start, beach. You can hear my cat running up to me. She's so needy. Attention whore. God. Stop. You can't have my slime. It's missing something. I'm gonna go like a different route this time. So last time I didn't mix them and then I just put the activator in it. I think this time I'm gonna mix them and then put the activator in it and see what happens when I do that. Oh my god. This one should have a boy name. It's a boy. Oh my god. It's beautiful. In case I forgot to mention, it is a Friday night and this is what I'm doing. I made a blue one and I made a pink one. I recommend not touching it, but yeah. I feel like this one turned out better. Right? That one's like slimy, right?
How do you make it?
Well, I put glue. I know. I put glue, and then I put sparkles, and then I put activator.
Slime activator.
Yeah. But yeah, so
Congrats.
this was my Friday night plans. Comment down below what your elementary school mascot was. My lovely sister is gonna make some of her own because she got jealous.
Maybe. So I think I'm gonna do some silver. You used scissors, didn't you? I just used it with my mouth.
Yeah.
You put it all in?
Yeah. So my first one actually turned out really good. It's a little fragile.
My pants are falling down.
Oh, she.
Where'd you come from? Where'd you go?
Where'd you come from? Got my job.
I like these little aqua ones because they're like iridescent. Purple and blue. I like that. Millie. I don't know if this is gonna look good, but ooh, that's already looking pretty cute.
So do you want to like mix it before you put the activator in? Because that's what I did with this one, but with this one I just put the activator in and then I mixed it.
Yeah, I'll do that. And then,
there is no right or wrong when it comes to slime, Lexi.
every piece of glitter counts. I'll mix it first.
Yeah, I would use that end because I cleaned it off.
Aw, it doesn't look cute.
It'll be okay.
Never done this before, so here we go. Let's pour it in, sister. Okay. We'll just do a little bit at a time. It's like baking, but
I think it looks really pretty.
yeah.
It's like a light lavender.
Yeah.
Like the spray bottle.
Yeah. Okay, yeah,
I'm really proud of my slime skills. I'll put it on here and mix it up. I'll knead it with my hands. Oh, she's so sticky.
Isn't Cosmo a guy though?
Don't assume his gender. Yeah, there we go.
This is what good pussy sounds like.
Family-friendly content. Oh, this one's better now. Yeah. Yeah. My children. We're such a happy family. Do you think Mom will be proud of us?
Yeah, sure.
Think Dad will?
Who? Wow. This one kind of hurts because of the stars.
Oh my God, ouch.
It's pretty.
Okay, I want to make another one. This is like really fun.
Alright, final result.
So these are our children. Hope you enjoyed, because I did. Comment down below what your favorite Boomerang cartoon is.